You can also add 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule, which I have right here from doTERRA. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits and uses of doTERRA Clove Essential Oil. Clove has been used for years in dental preparations, candy, and gum for its flavor and ability to cleanse the mouth, yet it provides a myriad of health benefits. Its main chemical component, eugenol, makes it a very stimulating and energizing essential oil that can be used as a warming massage oil. Clove contains powerful antioxidant properties and supports cardiovascular health when taken internally. As a cooking spice, clove adds spicy flavor to any dish or dessert while providing internal benefits as well. 1 drop of clove can clean the teeth and gums while promoting fresh breath. The top 3 ways to use doTERRA clove oil include aromatic, so breathing it in, as well as topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, and then internally as well. The main benefits of clove oil is that it's the highest antioxidant plant in the world, cleans teeth and gums, and supports cardiovascular health, and also flavors food. The directions for use are diffusing this with cinnamon oil and wild orange oil for a holiday aroma that cleans the air and uplifts the mood. You can also add 1 to 2 drops in a veggie capsule, which I have right here from doTERRA. And so all you do is you just take one out, like so. You open up the cap. You put the 1 to 2 drops of the clove oil in there and then take it with food and water for best results. And this will help support your immune system. You can also substitute 1 drop of the clove essential oil from doTERRA per 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground clove in sweet recipes or desserts. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below to continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.